view, and this is the view where we can see the percentage completion of the list. How this works I will show you, and I will show you step by step how the code works in a simplified version. So let's begin. We're going to start with list 1, and we're going to reset the index, and we're going to start a dial. We have our first contact, and our pop-up appears. I'm going to click the call, and I'm going to end the call. I'm going to click yes to move to the next. So currently we're on our second contact in the list. Click call again, end the call. I'm going to move to next. This is the third contact. Click the call, click cut. Going to click yes again, and this is the last contact that we're going to call. Wait for the dialog, end the call, and now we're going to click close. So now we've reached our fourth contact, and in total there are 8 contacts in this list. So in the percentage completion view, it should show us 50%. So we go to our list view, our reports view, sorry. We see that there is 0 and then list 1. This is just a kind of key that is used to relate to the graph. If we click draw graph, we can see that indeed the relation is 0, 0, and the bar graph that it shows us there shows us 50%. If I was to do a different number of contacts, say reset index, dial list, yes, and closed on the second, I'm going to cancel these call dialogues, get list data, it shows us around 25%. How this works in the backend is every time the call dialog shows, there are 2 fields within a list. There is the current index, so the user can actually start from the position that they left off again, or they can press reset index and this current index will turn to 0. And there is a total number of documents. That's the total number of contacts in the list, and which it uses to calculate the percentage to then draw on the graph. This works with multiple lists as well. They will just keep adding to the bar chart here. So if I drew another graph, say add weekday list, so now we have another list, and I'm going to go to the reports view, and you see we have another list. If we draw graph, obviously we don't have any contacts on that, so we're not going to be able to dial it, but as you can see, it adds it to the bar graph and updates the relationship between the list and the keys. So that's the reporting view and the percentage completion. Thank you.